Oh my god.
Look at the little dead side.
Oh my god, what's my mom is not even here yet? When she gets behind us and we're in the back trying to meet her.
We're going to get knocked down. It's a natalee, everyone. Hi. Look at the guy. Get the fuck! I better not blow away. Get the phone! Continue recording. Oh my god.
Dude, this house is gonna be on our way back. Wow.
It's the dump.
Did you hear that music?
Yeah.
She's banging the
No space that in the music.
She's banging the music. What? What in the world?
It's so fun.
Oh my god. My sister's one.
Yeah.
Oh god, I do not want to, I don't even want to know. Like, I think we're going to be in trouble.
I'm in the car.
Oh my god, this is freaking not cool.
It sucks. Ish.
We're really late, aren't we?
Yeah, it's like.
It's 6:22. We're almost 30 minutes late.
Look at your face. Your face is so big compared to mine. I'm gonna put that down.
Not that much in length. Oh god, is oh god. Oh god.
We're in town. Say hi to the people.
Yeah, it's so weird when people are right behind you. I can't believe Brittany passed my mom. My mom went. That's what her face was. She went,
Hi, little people.
I should wear red lipstick so it looked pretty stupid. She's like, hey, that was that mustache lady.
Ew,
It's me.
mustache lady. Rapist fan.
Ew. Right. Open the way fail.
Open your lips. Well, did you get it? Then we would have sailed.
Please, there's Billy's.
They didn't say this, did they?
Oh, we can say we're 16. You don't have to be 16 right here, but here, right? Or does it even matter anymore?
I don't know. She do it with no hands. Dang, we're really.
We are right. I love that song. We can say hi to the cheerleaders up here.
Oh, I can see my reflection. I can see yours too.
Yeah, here's the mess.
Yeah, it is.
This is a very long video.
It is. It's 5 minutes and some long. I made longer. Me and Cassandra made one that was 13 minutes long. It was me driving on the 4-wheeler. No, it was her driving. Okay, we made 2. We actually made a lot more than that, but one, I thought she was really going to kill us because she was like driving maniac, like worse than your sister. Oh my god. Look at the dancing. Look at her. She's like.
Well, she like brake checks right here.
I go.
Oh god.
That would be horrible.
She kind of missed the turn.
Go. That was a loud manly. We're gonna have to go past these cheerleaders here too.
Oh.
Well, let's say bye now. Bye.